What is up, everybody? It has been a minute since we turned this car on, since last time we went to the track, which was probably 2 months ago, I think. You guys saw it on Instagram what she did. Right now what we're about to do is take it to one of the paint shop up the street. We are looking to get this thing painted, give it a different look to it. Want to be a little bit different. Take it out there, see what they're gonna quote us on the new paint. Hopefully it's not too much, but we'll see what happens. And how about we do a little quick coaster on this thing, since it's been so long. Don't even know if it's even gonna turn on. We'll see what happens. Woo! Like you, baby. Gotta hate me, but you gotta love it though, right? It is what it is. That's how I see it. It is what it is. Just a neighbor with a race car, that's all. Dirty. She needs to be cleaned up. Wow. Gotta take her off more often, man. She's ready to rip though. She is ready to go. Alright, we're not too far from this place, so here we are. We'll see what happens. A little bit of that. What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel, bro. Oh man, we got a debate, and no, it's not Donald Trump versus Joe Biden. It's this right here, huh? This man right here with this man right here. What is up, bro? What's going on? Why are you looking all weird, bro?
Cut it off that channel. Awesome, kid.
Listen to me. I'm not talking about that right now. What's going on? Is this thing gonna be ready for the track or what?
It's gonna be ready.
This is gonna be ready for the track?
It's gonna be ready.
When do we expect? When is the people gonna expect for this thing to turn on?
2 weeks.
2 weeks? All right, okay. And you're basically saying you're gonna go, this right here is gonna go up against this right here? Is that basically what you're saying?
Oh yeah, that's exactly what I'm saying.
All right, my man. Supposedly you can't find 1, 2, 3, and 4. What's going on?
No.
Talk to me.
I left them back at home when I went to the track.
Did you at least order the gears, bro?
Yeah.
Did you order? Yeah. How much were they?
Direct shipping.
$5.99 on Amazon.
$5.99.
All right. At least you didn't get the eBay product. All right, man. So you basically saying you got this race?
Oh, I got my gears.
You got your gears? Yeah, exactly, man. You be lying, bro. You be lying, bro. You be lying. You know that. See what happens, man? People lie. When people lie, the truth comes out by spitting that soda, man. He ain't ready. Look at this thing. 3TC. He's got a little turbo. All right, man. We're going to see what happens. We're going to see. They both want it. Front wheel drive, rear wheel drive. Oof, okay. Who do you guys got, man? Who do you guys got? Let us know. Let us know. Subscribe to the channel, baby. We're gonna be live soon.